There are two ways to return a multidirectional node to its inactive state. The first way is to turn on snapping and activate the pivot mode. As we can see, a snap point appears, and when we move our node towards it, the node will snap. Right now, this system is a bit clunky and there is an easier method. If we middle click on the node we want back in its inactive state, we will get a floating menu. All we need to do is click on reset and select position. Now the node is back to its inactive state. Right now this is the best method. Even if we try snapping with the 3D nodes, it's still a bit difficult. If we turn on the F.C.S. constraints group locator, it defeats the point of turning off their visibility in the first place. When we move into the face, we can see that the 3D nodes are intersecting the mesh. This is not a problem, for this mesh selection has been disabled. In general, it is good practice to have selection disabled on your mesh when animating. This makes it easier to select these nodes and rigging joints. In this case, we want the nodes away from the mesh, so we are going to select all of our 3D nodes. Now we are going to go to our user channels and we are going to offset the nodes. By default, the offset is set to 0. We can offset a max of 0.5 inches. For this demonstration, we will only offset 0.25 inches. All the nodes have a maximum distance they can move. However, if we activate the node and then use controller node, the morph is overcranked. If you want this option, it is best to have separate controller nodes connecting to the nodes you want to overcrank.